So what we're going to do is show how to measure open circuit voltage and short circuit current on a solar panel. These panels here were donated by Shot Solar, and what we're going to do is walk through the procedure on exactly how to take those measurements. So the first thing we want to do is align the panel perpendicular to the rays of the sun. Next we're going to get our measuring tool. We're going to line it up on the corner of the panel, and we're going to look for a shadow. And right now, as you can see, we're not aligned perfectly. You see a small shadow on the bottom here. So what we want to do is pull the bottom of the panel out.
And what are you actually looking for here?
The shadow.
Okay.
Looks like it needs to kind of come up a little bit.
This way?
Yeah, like towards Cindy. Just a little bit. It's about good.
That's good. So now we have the solar panel in place, and we can begin the testing. All right, so on the back of every panel you'll find a sticker that has the specifications for that specific panel. And on this panel, we can see here from the PP measurement, this is a 199 watt panel, DC panel, correct. The open circuit voltage is 52.1, and the short circuit current is 6.2 amps. And these are the things that we're going to be looking at. So on a day like today, where the sun's out, we should be able to get close to those readings. Now, since we've already correctly aligned it to the angle of the sun, the next step will be to remove the cover of the junction box. Now inside the junction box, you're going to see the positive terminal and the negative terminal. The positive terminal in this case is on the right, and the negative terminal is on the left. So what we're going to do is take our small clamp meter, make sure it's set on the DC setting, DC voltage setting.
I'll read it off to you, okay?
And we're going to touch the positive
It's
side and the negative to the negative side.
435.
And in this case, we got a measurement of 48.3. The next step will be measuring the short circuit current. And in order to do that, we've already connected a wire between the two terminals. And now we're going to take our amp meter, and we're going to make sure we're setting it on DC amps in order to get the correct reading. So once we have it set, we'll zero it out, and then we'll simply put the clamp around the wire. We're getting a reading of 6.94. Next step we're going to do is we're going to measure the solar irradiance, and in order to do that we're going to use a pyranometer. Now we'll remove the cover, place the pyranometer on the panel. And as far as what we're getting, this is going to give us a reading in millivolts. Today it's a nice bright sunny day, and we're getting 225 millivolts. Okay. So our next test is our cell temperature measurement. And what we're going to do is use a standard thermocouple. This will give us our temperature reading. And we're going to hold the wire, the thermocouple, up against the back side of the glass. We're getting a temperature of about 47 degrees Celsius. And it will continue to rise as the panel stays out.